It's your boy Thrill. Subscribe to the channel. Hit that like button and the notification bell below. And today we're making monster jello slime. You know, I got my brothers here. You know, looks like this one's powderized. We're gonna put it in the bowls.
Go.
Now we're gonna open it, you know, start making it now. Thanks, Hezekiah. Now we're gonna use this. Find the scoop that's in there, because they don't like putting it at the top. They really need to do that. Oops, I made a mess.
Oops.
Whoa! Oh! Yeah. Okay, wait. Did you? Okay, I want to see how it tastes when it's powderized. It's not that bad, but it's not that good. It's good. You know, we're gonna make slime out of this, you know what I mean?
Now we're gonna get the bowls.
Subscribe to my brother's channel for the good help. Hezzy Money.
King Hezzy.
King Hezzy? I didn't know. Okay, fine.
Now
we're gonna do 3.
Zion Money.
Zion Money 2. Okay, I see you.
Comment down below if he should get a YouTube channel.
Yeah, because he doesn't have one yet, but he keeps on doing intros like he does.
He's like, hello guys, it's your boy Zion back again with another video. He always does that.
Now we're gonna do level scoops. Come on, Zion, buddy boy. Come on. Okay, come. We're gonna do 1 scoop.
That looks like the Grand Canyon.
2 scoop. And then scoop from my cup.
I got 2.
Go.
Oh my god. It's like this doesn't like the work.
3 scoops.
I just need to give him 1 more. Another scoop for me. And I'll put that.
Don't pay attention.
Ashy little boy. Okay, see, it was taking too long for us to get 3 scoops, so I make sure you guys didn't have to see that. Now we're gonna pour half of this into each of our bowls so we can start the mixing process.
I love mixing, like my chicken noodle soup. It turned green as soon as we poured it in.
Oh, wow. Now we're gonna mix it. King Hezzy, start mixing.
Okay.
Zion Money, start mixing.
I think we need a little more water.
Yeah.
This is dry.
Yeah. I feel like it's turning into oobleck.
Dip it inside of it.
Because when you touch it with oobleck, it's like soft. Like when you like just put your hand in slowly, but when you try to move it hardly, it like.
Oh, my turn to slime.
Also, make sure to wash your hands before doing this, because you don't want no dirty slime. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
you're gonna get fungus. Straight up.
We washed
fungus.
our hands before we did this, and this is so hard to mix.
Ugh. Ugh. Disgusting.
Tastes good.
Well, how come yours is so hard? I feel like yours is the best. Let me taste this.
Let me taste yours.
Zion's one's the best, while ours is just smooth. Like, it can be slime. But I feel like ours isn't like his, where it's like oobleck. Like, I'd rather have it be oobleck. Like it's, mine is still like oobleck because I can like do this and it'll still walk.
Yeah, it kind of is oobleck. See, look at it.
As you can, one is like Zion's now because you can kind of mix it.
Now we play with it.
Yeah, Zion, there's this slime with us.
I'm gonna become the next chef of the earth. Oh, see, mine is getting even more smooth, actually.
Tastes good. Look at this. Oh, did you see there was just a bubble in there when I did that? A ginormous bubble.
Look at my brother's slime. I feel like his is the most satisfying.
No. Because I was mixing mine, and now mine's like Zion's.
I wonder.
Oh, did you see that? What happens? Like, look at that. If you do this.
Mine's is smooth. I think I added too much water. That's why. Mine isn't like yours. It's just smooth. Yours is like hard. Like, we're gonna taste each other's slime. First, we're gonna taste Zion. Zion, take a taste. How does it taste, Zion? Good? Let's kind of taste it. How does it taste?
Good.
Out of 10 slimes? 10 out of 10 slimes? Or what do you want to rate it?
Good. It's good. I don't know. Like 9 out of 10.
I'll give that a 10 out of 10. Zan, what do you want? What do you want to rate, Zan?
Games.
Okay.
That's all
I'll just give you a 10 out of 10. Now we're gonna taste my slime. Let's taste my.
Now we're gonna play with our slime.
Oh God.
Oh, my slime is better than I thought it would be. Wait, oh, it's not on the table.
What? Boy. Hey, why are you playing with my slime? You got your own slime, buddy.
My slime feels like too thick. I'm just gonna eat it.
Oh my God. Okay.
Put it back in there. There. You're eating it. Slippery slime. I see why they call it.
Spit back. Boy. Ow. Hey, back up.
Go.
I'm Bruce Lee. Hiya. I'm slime Bruce Lee.
Okay, we're gonna end the video here.
What?
Make sure to like, subscribe,
comment
how good you think this video was. Comment if my brother should make a YouTube channel.
Just comment everything.
And also, make sure to have a good day. And bye!
And slime.
Oh, God.